Hey guys, welcome back to Webpack tutorial. So in this particular tutorial, we're going to talk about how to be compatible with Pugs extension files. That means using Pug HTML loader. Just to make you understand what is it all about, you can just visit this particular link, which would be there into my description section, GitHub Pug.js Pug. So Pug is nothing but a robust, elegant, feature-rich template engine for Node.js. And just to make it, so it is nothing but renamed from Jade. It was earlier Jade. So if I just be very much quick about the explanation, Pug is a clean, white space sensitive syntax for writing HTML. And here is a simple example for it. So this is nothing but an HTML template which is written in Pug, and it then gets converted into a plain HTML which we are fond of writing about. So just to make sure and go ahead and understand how to install it with Webpack2, I'm going ahead and renaming index.ejs or index.html if you guys are using into an extension of Pug. So I'll just save this over here. Moving ahead, I'll go to Webpack config and I'll change my ejs to Pug again, and I save it over here, and now I'm going to run it into dev mode. Yes, so yes, everything looks fine over here, and surprisingly things are working. But let us see what is written inside Pug. So it is nothing but a clear plain HTML, and that is the reason it is not throwing any errors over here. So now what I can do is I'll just go here and copy this particular template of Pug, and let's see how it responds to. I'll just go ahead and I'll just remove this, and now if it is, now you can see it was running in watch mode. It is compiled successfully. I'll just go over here and you can see things are not that great. It is just showing it in a string format, and that is the reason, because we have to include a loader, and we have to make Webpack understand that this is going to be a extension file, and we have to handle load it in a different way. For that particular thing, I'll just quit my execution. I'll clear my console off, and I'll install few loaders. That is, the first one is going to be nothing but Pug itself. The second one would be Pug -html loader, and then it would be HTML loader, and I'll just save it into my dev dependencies. Let me just hit enter, and everything would be saved into my package.json, and that would be into my dev dependencies. Let's just wait for the things getting done. Yes, so things are cool over here. Pug is there, HTML loader is there. I just quit this thing off. Over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add one more configuration, and it is going to test for Pug extension, and it is going to use loaders. The first one is going to be Pug HTML loader, and then it is going to be further loaded with one more template, one more loader, that is nothing but HTML loader. And let me, once things are cool, I'll just clear the stuff out and I'll run the application in dev mode again. Let me just see what happens. So you can see now my Pug HTML is working as fine. The browser is able to understand my Pug template. So this looks good. Let me just do one more thing over here. I'll just go inside my source folder. I'll create a new folder called includes, and inside includes I'll again write one Pug template. It would be nothing but header.pug, and now inside my index.pug I'll try to include it. Let me see how to do that, and I've just removed h1 tag which was embedded into it, and here I'll just say include includes hyphen header.pug, and I'll save it. You can see it is compiled successfully, and now what I'm doing is the HTML embedded h1 tag is removed, and it is going to include header.pug. I'll write something inside it. It is going to be a header tag, and I'll say it is header, external header, I will say. Once I save it again, Webpack is running in watch mode. It will compile successfully. If you just go over here, you can see it is the header is included externally the way we have done over here. So thanks a lot, guys, for bearing me. If at all you find this thing interesting and you were able to learn, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thanks a lot.